guys, in this video I will show you how to convert video to anime in Domo AI. So if you're looking to create a video like this, then this tutorial is for you. So in order to do this, we just need to head over right here to Domo AI. And then we have in here this animate, this gen, also this video right here. We need to use this video right here and turn it into other styles, and this way we'll turn it into anime style. So for this one, you just need to head over and then upload right here your actual video. So let's head over and skip this first right there. Now, as you can see on default, the style will be anime V1. You can also just click on this right here and then choose any anime prompt that you can see right here, like this V53 as well as this V8. So just choose which one you want available right here. So for example, right here, let's head over and then you can use this V3 right here if you want to. So let's use this. And then you just need to upload or drag the file right here. So let me head over and then upload in here a video that we will use. Now for this one, let's head over and then upload this and open it. And as you can see, this will upload the video. So you can also choose in here the duration that you will animate. So for example, you can choose 5 seconds, 3 seconds, 10 seconds, and until 20 seconds. So as you can see right now, just choose your style and also put in here your prompt. Make this into anime style, scenic, anime style. I'll just say something like that. And then just tweak this to your liking and then just choose which one you want to use. And then click on this generate right here. As you can see, it actually takes around 15 right here. So just click on that and then as you can see, this will generate it. So if you have insufficient credits, you can head over and then buy more credits. So after you buy credits, you can see the task will be created successfully and then this will generate this particular video. I have actually put right here at 30-second duration and it takes around average waiting time of 3 minutes for this to generate until 100%. So just wait for this. As you can see, it's been successfully created. So let's head over and then click on it in order to see what it looks like. So let's head over and full screen it. And then you can see that it actually turns the scenic view earlier into an anime right here. So let's play that. So that's how you convert video to anime in Domo AI. Thank you for watching and I hope this video helped you out.